And weather-wise, for us here in the southern tier, Howard, today my hair did not win. The humidity was definitely here with us today.
Just wait, it's only getting started. Today was a sample of what most of the next 7+ days are going to be like. It looks like the humidity has settled in, and it's going to be with us, I think, for a while, pending some, big shift. But let's take a look at the satellite and radar. There's a low pressure in Michigan right now with a line of thunderstorms, essentially from western Pennsylvania, eastern Ohio, and down into central Kentucky. Believe this is actually looking at some of the latest guidance here tonight. Some of the guidance is developing this line. This line will weaken as it moves into the overnight, but then it continues moving east, and then it blows up into eastern Pennsylvania over toward the Hudson Valley tomorrow afternoon. There's a trend there, so we'll see if whether or not that happens, but that has been a trend here this evening with some of the convection, what we call the convection allowing weather models, and we'll see what happens. There's a look at an old surface map that's not relevant any longer. We do have, yes, rain is moving in, and it's falling apart as it does so. Again, a closer view, a couple sprinkles up, very light rain up in Cortland and even in southeastern Tioga County and northern Bradford County. But that, my friends, is it. Temperatures 60s and 70s right now. Again, it is very muggy out there. Dew points 60s to near 70. These have come down, 4 or 5 degrees. But again, it's still going to remain very sticky for the overnight hours. Some showers are possible tonight. Getting into tomorrow, we still have to watch the risk of a severe storm because there are some ingredients that are there for that to happen. Record heat is on the way, and we're looking also at multiple first alerts as we've been talking about the last couple days. Record versus forecast highs. I think several new record highs will be at the very least tied, perhaps even shattered. Monday and Tuesday, the records are 89 and 88 respectively. We're forecasting low 90s. Now, in the hottest valleys, if the sun is able to win out, which it looks like it will under that dominating ridge of high pressure, some upper 90s, near 100-degree air temperatures would be possible in the valleys, I think. There's a look at that heat sticking around June 26th through June 27th, a very good signature that we're going to continue to see some pretty significant heat even mid to late next week. In the June 24th to the 28th period shows, again, a very strong signal of temperatures remaining above average. Severe outlook, a 1 out of 5 to the west in the green, a 2 out of 5 risk in the yellow. This will be updated about 2 o'clock in the morning, so be sure to watch 12 News this morning and download the WBNG Storm Track 12 app for updates on that risk. The wind damage threat is highest in the yellow here, lowest in the brown. Tornado threat, it's very small, but it is non-zero. Excessive rainfall, small chance of maybe enough heavy rain tomorrow to maybe bring in the risk of some flash flooding, but I think most of this precipitation should move quick enough to preclude any sort of widespread flooding. Tomorrow morning, clouds, some sunshine develops. It's going to warm up quickly. And then watch into the afternoon. More clouds develop and then some scattered showers and thunderstorms after about 3 or 4 o'clock. Here's a look at 5 or 6 o'clock. Notice some of the activity picking up in coverage at that point. Any one of these could be strong, isolated, severe possible through 8 o'clock. After that, the threat of severe weather is over. For the night, we'll get into Friday morning, start with clouds, some sunshine, perhaps a couple showers, maybe even an afternoon thunderstorm on Friday, although we are not expecting any severe threat on Friday. Next 7 days, some thunder overnight Saturday into Sunday is possible. Summer comes in Friday at 10:41 and just hot, record hot, Monday and Tuesday.
All right, Howard, thank you. Section